We do have a little Vanlife gathering, so everybody is preparing some foods and we will share the dinner table. Good food, good company, good mood. What could go wrong? Nothing.
We have yet another Vanlife meet. So meeting up with the Finnish people came near Kytheio. Now we have here 5 cars at the moment. Our morning starts with the pancakes. So we have the whole gang eating pancakes there and sitting around. Really warm day. Like spring is here for sure. We are surprised that we are all alone here. There's nobody else, just Finns and one Swedish guy. Just enjoying this really good weather. We went for some swimming and jumping from the cliffs back there, so it was a nice day. Now refreshed, we are all preparing our food on our own vans. Everyone has their own kitchen, and in the evening time we will be having a bonfire in this World War II time some kind of air defense system. So there will be bonfire and some tables and good food. Yeah, but it's nice. Weather turned out to be that it's like springtime already, and of course we are enjoying this in t-shirt. And of course, I'm doing my specialty, tzatziki.
Bloody gazpacho.
Ja. It's vodka.
Miten se Leiniö sanoi, että yhdellä se syö aina?
Niin jo. Joo, siis ihan vaan preppaa.
Näittekö se kuitenkin se sahaa se video, aika uusi Leiniö? Joo. Se oli hieno video. Se oli kyllä. Ei yhtään sanaa koko videolla. Ei
eikö siis tää ole hyvä taustamusiikin, ihan sama mitä se tekee.
Otetaan sille.
Jeans.
Voilà!
Kauheasti pippi. Se sai sopimusta saa tänne joukossa. Nyt on vähän sama, että nyt on hirveen hoppu syödä musiikkia.
maybe you can see from my face and from my voice that we danced through all night, so we decided that it's a brunch time. So everybody gathered some food and there's bacon and eggs and everything, so perfect hangover day, and gonna gather here and eat together, and hopefully this hangover goes away. It's really nice to have these kind of meetups. Maybe in future more of these. And the perfect weather just continues.
Nonni, laseja alle.